Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kobe and this is SkyTech Digital. Now in this video we're going to talk about how to create a YouTube channel. So I'm going to walk you through step-by-step procedure to create your own channel. Now YouTube is one of the biggest video sharing platforms in the world, and if you have anything that you want to share, a tutorial, content, skit maker, anything that you feel like sharing to the world and also monetizing to get money for yourself, then this video is for you. So I'm going to walk you through how you can be able to create your own YouTube channel. So without wasting much time, let's jump into it. Okay, so first of all, you need to have a Gmail account. Okay, so to be able to create YouTube channel, you need to have a Gmail account. Now what is Gmail? Gmail is basically an email address system where you get your own Gmail from email address from Google. Okay, so for those of you who don't have Gmail account, you need to sign up for Gmail and get a Gmail email address. Okay, so you can click over here to get your own Gmail account. I already have a Gmail account, so I'm not going to walk you through how you can be able to get it. Okay, so now after getting your Gmail account, you can click over here and then click on YouTube over here. Okay, now if you are already connected to YouTube, it will sign you in automatically. If you are not, you have to there will be a sign in button over here. Okay, and then you have to click to sign you in to YouTube. So we are on YouTube right now over here, as you can see. Now to create a YouTube channel or to create a YouTube account, okay, all what we need to do is to click over here, and then as you can see over here, it says create a channel. Okay, so create a channel. So click on your name over here, or your your icon, photo icon over here, and then click on create a channel. So we're gonna click over here, which says create a channel. So we click it, and then you have to choose a name. So this is how your name will appear. Now do you want it that way or not? You have to just continue. Now I want it to be tech up hosting, so I like it that way. Now of course, if you don't want it, you can change the name over here. Now you can upload a photo over here. Okay, so if you want a photo, you can go ahead and then upload your own photo. So I'm going to upload this photo over here. So I'm going to upload this one over here, and then I'll click on okay over here. So I'm going to choose this one. I know the image is not that really good, but then I still like it. I want to use it, so I'm going to click done over here to upload a photo. So as you can see, this is okay. Now the name, like I said, is tech up hosting. It is okay for me. So all what I need to do is to click on create channel. Now guys, as you can see, my channel is created for me. Okay, now I can decide to go ahead and then start uploading photos. Now I need to customize my channel after creating the channel. Okay, so what do I need to do? I will click on customize channel over here. It's gonna open a new tab and it will take me to YouTube Studio. Okay, and that is where I'll be able to customize my channel over there. So I'll be able to give a channel background image, cover art, and all those kind of things. Okay, so as you can see, it says welcome to YouTube Studio. Okay, so that is YouTube Studio over here. Now if you want to personalize the latest news and blah blah blah, click on continue. So I'm gonna click on continue over here, and then I'm gonna click on close to over here. Okay, so I'm gonna close it, and then now over here I can do all my branding over here. Okay, so you can add a channel trailer, you can add featured video for returning subscribers. You can this is a place for short, and this is a place for uploads. Okay, your video uploads. Now this is not what we need right now. what we need right now is what is branding over here. Okay, so we're gonna go on branding over here, and as you can see, we've already what uploaded our channel logo. So now the next one that we need is what we need banner image. Okay, so banner image is also what very, very important. Now, what is a banner image? Now, if you go to YouTube over here, you see that when you click on maybe somebody's what channel. Okay, so let me go to just click on anyone. Let me go to vidIQ over here, and then I'm going to show you what the banner, this is what the banner, what the banner art over there. Okay, so as you can see now, as you can see over here, you can see what the banner, channel banner. Okay, so you can see it, the banner image. So we have to also what upload our own what banner image. Now you need to check the size to what upload your banner image. It says what 2048 by what by 1152 pixel. Okay, and then it should not be more than 6 MB. Okay, so how can you be able to create a banner image that quick and then that nice? Okay, and then also have the size. Now there is a very free tool you can use, a free tool you can use. Now you can use what Canva. So just go to what canva.com. Okay, now you're gonna find what a lot of things, a lot of what templates over here. When you're at canva.com, just search for what YouTube. Okay, now Canva is used to create in all flyers and anything that you want. Okay, so if videos, images, anything, logos, you can use what Canva to do it. Okay, so just you see this one, it says what YouTube what banner, YouTube channel logo. Okay, you can use this one's YouTube what thumbnail. Okay, so YouTube intro, YouTube what banner, all those things people have been was searching for it, and Canva have a lot and lot of them. So as you can see over here, this one is what you can choose anyone. So for me, I chose what this one. Okay, and then I created what I use it to create, customize it the way I want it, and then what I had what this one over here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just what upload it over here. So I'm going to click on upload over here, and then I'm going to choose the banner image that I want. And as you can see, this is what the image, this is how it's going to what is going to work. Okay, so this is how it's going to what is going to behave over there. So I'm going to click on what done, and I'm going to have what my banner image over there. Okay, now this one also says what watermark. So if you want the watermark to be on your on your YouTube channel, of course you can upload it. So you can click over here to upload any image for your for it. So I'm going to use the same logo. So I'm going to use this one over here, and I'm going to click on done over here. So it will have this one on my on my YouTube channel. So you can decide to place it at the end of the video. You can decide to wherever you want, but I want it entire video. Okay, so after everything is done, all what I need to do is to click on publish over here, and then it will publish my settings that I've done over there. Okay, now the next thing we need to do is to also do some basic set up some basic info. Okay, so the basic informations that we need, that our channel should have. Okay, so when I talk about basic information, now if you go to like this channel over here, if you go to about over here, of course they are going to have a description about the channel. Okay, or what the channel is about. You see it all over here. Okay, and that is the same thing that we want to do. Okay, so what we do is we go to basic info over here, and then we're gonna set up our handle, our description, add languages, add channel URL, and a whole lot of things, okay, to it. So what we're going to do is first, the name is okay. So we're going to set up our handle. Okay, so our handle should be tech up hosting, just like this. Okay, so if it is okay, they'll say it is okay. So we are good to go. Now description of the channel. So what is it about? So you write all the descriptions that you want to write over there. So after writing your description, you can add what language to it, okay, and then you can also set your URL. But this one you can't do it unless you reach a number of subscribers, okay. So for now we're gonna leave it as it is, but this is your channel URL, okay. And then you can add links to it. So you can add your links to it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add links to the it. So you can add your Facebook link, your Instagram link, your Twitter link, your website link, okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my website first, and then I can go ahead to add different links. So if it is Facebook, you can add Facebook, and then you put your Facebook link over here. So you can go ahead to add different different links to it, okay. Now also, as you can see over here, on the banner you can add at least five at most 5 links, okay. So it's going to show you can decide to show all the links that you want to show, okay. So I'm just going to show 2 links, and then you can put your email address to over here, okay. So if you want people to reach out to you, you can put your email address to over here. And then after you are done with it, all what you can do is to click on publish over here to publish the changes that you've made. So guys, as you can see, our channel is now ready to work. So if you go to our channel over here and then we refresh it, so as you can see, we have our channel ready to go, okay. So these are the links that I added, and then this is my channel banner, okay. So banner image over here, and then I'm good to go. Now I don't have any video over there. So if you want to upload a video, it is also very simple. Click on create video over here, this icon over here, and then you can either decide to go live or to upload a video over there. So this is how you can be able to create a YouTube channel and start sharing your favorite videos or your created content to the rest of the world. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.